How to fix camera not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera. Scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.